Welcome back, heavy equipment enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a world of innovation and power as we explore some of the most impressive machinery on the market. From massive haul truck towing equipment to versatile skid steer loaders, we're showcasing the best of the best in action. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey through the world of heavy equipment. Today, we're talking about TowHaul's RGS 600 mining lowboy trailers and haul truck towing equipment. Imagine needing to move a giant haul truck that's broken down in the middle of a mine. That's where these heavy-duty trailers come in. The RGS 600 is a lowboy trailer, meaning the bed sits close to the ground for easy loading and unloading, but it's what the trailer can handle that's truly impressive. These things are built to haul massive haul trucks, some weighing up to 400 tons. That's about the weight of 30 school buses. We've seen some massive machines preparing this construction site, but the ground itself might need some extra reinforcement. That's where the Liebherr HS 8130 HD comes in. This isn't your ordinary crane, it's a duty cycle crawler crane specifically designed for tough jobs like dynamic soil compaction. Imagine a giant hammer repeatedly slamming the ground. That's basically how the HS 8130 HD works. It lifts a heavy weight, up to 14 tons, and then drops it from a height of about 33 feet. This powerful impact compacts the soil down to depths of around 23 feet, making it stronger and more stable for future construction. An interesting fact? This crane can deliver these blows at a rate of 110 times per hour. That's some serious compaction power. Introducing the KTECH Ejector EJB4X, a revolutionary solution for efficient earth moving. This innovative scraper boasts a massive capacity of 58 cubic yards, allowing it to move large volumes of material with ease. The EJB4X features a unique ejector system that eliminates the need for hydraulic rams, reducing maintenance and increasing reliability. Its rugged construction and heavy-duty components ensure durability even in the most demanding environments. Operating the EJB4X is simple yet powerful. As the scraper fills with material, the ejector system pushes it out from the back, creating a continuous flow of material without the need to stop and dump manually. This results in significant time and labor savings on the job site. In our quest to explore the world of heavy equipment, we now turn our attention to the GAX EK60LP multi-purpose piling rig and drilling machine. This versatile rig is a game-changer in construction and infrastructure projects. With its impressive drilling depth of up to 180 feet and a diameter range of 8 to 48 inches, the EK60LP is capable of handling a wide variety of tasks, whether it's installing foundation piles for skyscrapers or drilling wells for water supply. This rig gets the job done efficiently. Equipped with advanced technology and precise controls, operators can easily maneuver the rig to the desired location and accurately drill holes with minimal downtime. Its compact design and powerful engine make it suitable for various job sites, from urban environments to remote areas. On a busy construction site, you'll see all sorts of machines moving materials around. One you might spot is the Hysun HY380. This isn't your average forklift. It's a versatile mini skid steer loader. Imagine a compact tractor with a small bucket on the front, perfect for scooping up and moving dirt, gravel, or other loose materials. The HY380 is all about maneuverability. Its small size and 360-degree steering allow it to navigate tight spaces and get the job done in confined areas. But don't let its size fool you. This little machine packs a punch, with a lifting capacity of up to 4,000 pounds. That's about the weight of 2 cars. The HY380 is also quite versatile. By attaching different tools on the front, it can transform into a mini dozer, trencher, or even a snowplow. Write in the comments, would you like one of these? And how would you use it? Continuing our exploration of heavy equipment, let's delve into the Sandvik U440i range mobile jaw and cone crushers. These aren't your average roadside crushers. These mobile giants are built for tough jobs and can be set up quickly on site. The U440i range offers two main options: jaw crushers and cone crushers. Jaw crushers use two giant plates that squeeze together like giant jaws to break down large rocks. Cone crushers use a cone-shaped piece that spins and crushes rock against another surface. Both options are powerful. The jaw crushers can handle rocks up to 8 inches in size, and the cone crushers can produce precisely crushed materials down to half an inch. Changing a flat tire on your car is easy, but imagine doing it on a giant mining truck. That's where the AME International EasyGripper tire handler comes in. This innovative tool attaches to loaders, cranes, or forklifts, transforming them into giant tire grabbers. The EasyGripper uses 3 gripper arms that securely clamp down on the tire. It's not just strong, it's versatile too. The gripper arms can be adjusted to handle a wide range of tire sizes, from regular truck tires all the way up to massive 85-inch diameter mining tires that's taller than a grown man. Here's a cool feature. The EasyGripper can also rotate the tires 0 to 50 degrees. This allows for safe and easy positioning during mounting or removal. Continuing our exploration of heavy equipment, let's shine a spotlight on the Gan SBC 100. This machine is basically a giant stone cutting saw mounted on a tracked platform. Imagine a powerful saw blade that can slice through rock like butter. The SBC 100 is ideal for quarries, allowing for clean and precise cuts directly on site. This saves time and money compared to transporting large stones for cutting elsewhere. An interesting fact? The machine is self-propelled and can travel at slow speeds while cutting, ensuring a smooth and accurate cut. As we dive deeper into the world of heavy equipment, let's explore the Bobcat Trencher attachment. This handy attachment transforms a Bobcat skid steer loader into a trench digging machine. The trencher attachment features a chain with teeth that cuts through the earth as the Bobcat drives slowly backward. The excavated dirt is then moved to the side by a built-in auger, keeping the trench clean and allowing for easy pipe or cable installation. Bobcat offers a variety of trencher attachments with different digging depths. Some models can tackle trenches up to 4 feet deep, which is more than enough for most utility lines. An interesting fact? The Bobcat Trencher attachment is also equipped with a side shift function. This allows for precise digging close to curbs, buildings, or other obstacles. Continuing our exploration of heavy equipment, let's take a closer look at the Arcusen AutoStack FSX. This machine is basically a trailer with a robotic arm that can pick up and stack bales all by itself. The AutoStack FSX is a real-time saver. One operator can manage the entire process, from picking up bales scattered across the field to stacking them neatly on the trailer. This not only saves labor, but also reduces the risk of injuries from manual handling. This mighty machine can handle up to 120 bales per hour and can even adapt to different bale sizes and types. That's a wrap on our exploration of some amazing heavy equipment. From giant crushers that pulverize rocks to robotic bale stackers that streamline farming tasks, these machines are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let us know, what was your favorite piece of heavy equipment in this video? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos on construction, engineering, and the fascinating world of heavy machinery.